Hi everyone. Well, it's time for a surprise giveaway. Yep, I am going to be giving away a little journal that some of you might remember. I did this journal a couple years back. I did the cover of the journal, and I thought it would make a sweet gratitude journal, and then I never did anything with it. I never finished it. I never put pages in it, nothing. So the other day I came across it and I said, I'm just going to go ahead and add pages to this, stitch them in, and give it away. So it's made with a 9x12 envelope. You may remember seeing the video where I created it. So this is the envelope. I had created these little flowers with celery. And I will link the video so that those of you who haven't seen it, you may want to take a look and see how I did it. But then the rest of it is just tissue paper and stamping and just fun. So I went ahead and cut some graph paper and just included it. I don't remember how many pages it is, but it's several pages. And it would make any kind of a journal. It doesn't even have to be a gratitude journal. It can make any kind of journal, fall, whatever. There's a little closure here so that you can access the pocket in the back. And it's just a little leaf on Brad. And it's signed here in the back. The insides are covered in scraps of book paper. So this journal is going to be going to one winner. I also am going to be including a couple of fall napkins. I actually had the idea of possibly doing this back when, and I never did, but I was thinking about, you know, tearing little bits of this napkin out and just kind of gluing to the inside covers, but whoever wins this can do whatever they would like with these, with the journal and with these additional pieces. I also have a bookmark that I created. This was back last year. I did these, and it's just a fun little bookmark with some scrap paper bits, and I tied on a little piece of twine, excuse me, twine with some metallic thread in it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but then attached a little bead, and I gave it some gold accents. You can see here and there are some little gold bits on the bookmark. So the last thing I'm including is some of the digital images that I showed in my recent video. So all of this together will go to the journal winner. All right, then I'm going to have one more winner, and it's going to be just the bits and pieces. So it'll be like a little Happy Mail package. So it will be one napkin, one bookmark, and the three little pieces of digital images that are all printed out for you. These are laser printed. They're on really nice paper, and I think you'll have fun using these in any of your fall projects. So the first one I'm going to draw for, well, first let me tell you where I got the names from. So I just recently did a video. It was a Mixed Media Morsels Extra Helping video where I created a couple of little fall tags and also these little tags. And a lot of people were commenting. I thought that was really nice. You all were enjoying that video so much. And this is a season where we all need to be grateful and thankful. And I just want you all to know that I'm very thankful for you. And so I took all the names of the people who commented on that video. When you take the time to like and share my videos, that's a wonderful thing. And then to additionally take time to comment and tell me how much you appreciate it, and tell me that you're excited about your creative journey and that you feel I'm helping you in some way. That's very, very special to me. So I wanted to reward those of you who commented on that video. So I included the 55 names of the people who commented on that video as of the time of this recording, which is October 17th, and it's about It's almost 4:30 Eastern time. So any comments that come in after that, I'm sorry, will not be included in this particular giveaway, but I did want to go ahead and give the ones who have commented the chance to have a little bit of something fun to receive in the mail, something to make you smile. And it makes me smile to be able to do it. So, okay, so the first drawing will be for the journal winner, and I'm going to stick the name right here so I don't forget and so that you can see who it will be. I'm just mixing all of these up. And I'm going to pull one of them out. Okay, the journal winner. I had two. Let me do it again because I had two in my hand. I don't think that's fair. Of course, I could have done 1 and 2, but I'd like to do them individually. Okay, so 1. Okay, so the journal winner is, if I can get it open, Sherry Workman. Congratulations, Sherry. The journal will be coming to you. Snip a little bit of that off, and then I'm going to stick this right here. I'm very happy and pleased to be able to send this out to you. Okay. All right. The winner for the Happy Mail. Let me bring that back down so we can see. Okay, the winner for the Happy Mail is going to be okay, here's one. Neora Channa, you were the winner of the Happy Mail. So, very happy to be able to send this out to you as well. This year that we're living in is a tough time, and so I just want to be able to share a little bit of joy and happiness. So again, thank you all for your comments on my videos. I'm going to be doing one more drawing just to let you know over on my Instagram. So it will be a random choosing from my followers there. So if you would like another opportunity to win another packet like this of Happy Mail, head over to my Instagram. The link is in the description of this video, and you'll have one more opportunity, okay? So again, thanks everybody. I appreciate you all so much, and my heart is overflowing with gratitude and thankfulness to have you guys following me and communicating with me, and it's just a very special thing for me, and I want you to know that. So, all right, we'll see you again soon, everybody, and congratulations to these winners. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.